Okay, so over the next week or so, depending on when you're watching this, you'll be working on refining your introduction section and literature review. That is due April 21st at 5 p.m. As you're working on, refining those areas, I want you to pay specific attention to a couple questions as well as use some resources through Gaston Ledford. So, as you're working on that, pay attention to the three following questions. In my first paragraph, did I introduce why I'm writing the paper? Meaning, did you thoroughly introduce the problem that we're evaluating? In the next paragraph, did you introduce the solution to the problem that you presented? And then in the final introduction paragraph, did you summarize what you're going to do with the proposed research and provide your research questions? In order to format your research questions and make sure that those are appropriate, refer to Gaston Ledford, pages 55 through 58. It will go over the different types of research questions and the format that you should present it in. Another area in Chapter 3 of Gaston Ledford that is of importance to note would be pages 64 through 66. They go through the differences between a research proposal and a final report. So in your previous course, you worked on your proposal. In this course, we're working on our final report. So they'll note some differences between the two and what to pay attention on moving forward. I've also linked here a really good example from an article about behavior skills training. It's a newer article. It was done in 2018, but it just has a really great introduction section that relates to those three questions that I presented earlier.